Okay, got a service call. Just gonna grab my meter and my HVAC. You can't really see it. It's an HVAC 8-in-1. That's usually all I bring for my troubleshooting tools, just so I don't have to lug my bag up, you know, the ladder or something like that. Got my ladder set up over there, so we're gonna go up there and figure out what the heck's going on with his AC. All right, looks like it's a little Bryant unit. Oh, it's humming. See if it'll do it again. So she's got the blower running in there. You gonna try again? It was making a humming noise. I just wanted to show it, or at least you hear it in the video. Yeah, let's pull the disconnect out and see if it'll do it again. Oh, I don't know if you heard that, but it's trying to start. There's a humming noise, so let's take off this access panel. Looks like we got a 2011. It's probably the freaking capacitor popped. All right, let's check it out. Yep, still going. All right. Where's that? Are you kidding me? There's no disconnect up here. Are you kidding me? So we gotta go down to the panel in the garage and go turn the damn breaker off. There it is. AC is that double pole 30. Let's get that. All right. Tell that the cap's all puffed up. A little puffy one. A little 35.5, just something simple. Alright, let's test it. You can see that this thing doesn't even sit right. It's all wobbly. Bottom, but all concave. So let's test this guy. Capacitance. Alright. Looks like the whole thing's done. Let's see, so that's hermetic to common. Hermetic to common. Nothing, it's completely dead. Let's go fan to common. Nothing. All right, let's get a new cap. Oh, it's a little hot today on this rooftop. Good thing I got my Supco umbrella there, keeping me cool, but just show you guys what I've done so far. Got the new capacitor in, 35.5 Titan Pro, and then we put in also a 521 hard start. These things work pretty good. I like them better than the traditional hard starts, so these things run pretty good. It's a little 2-ton system, so we're gonna start this up. There it is. It's running. On to the next one.